Whatever Lola wants, Lola gets, and U-Locks is what she needs and turns to. It's top security, gives peace indeed. Relax yourself, enjoy yourself, be cool. Anti-picking and anti-bumping will protect your home.
Is home security on your mind? It should be. It's on the minds of criminals. Just look at today's headlines. Shield yourself and protect your valuables with U-Lock's revolutionary deadbolt protection. U-Locks install in minutes with tools found in most households. Install U-Locks on exterior or interior doors, any bedrooms, bathrooms, or closet door. Now you can lock up your home or office, utility rooms, and garage doors. U-Locks can turn virtually any closet door into a personal safe. Protect your firearms, coin collections, jewelry, your personal property, and private records. Keep your medications out of the wrong hands. With U-Lock's deadbolt protection, peace of mind is just a click away. Is your door safe from silent entry? Criminals can enter your home, take your valuables, and leave without your knowledge. Your deadbolt lock can be bumped open without anti-bumping protection. All U-Locks come with anti-bumping protection to keep your deadbolt lock secure. The U-Lock Shield system provides additional strength to help guard against forced entry. U-Locks are available at your local hardware or gun store, or contact your locksmith or home improvement professional.
And U-Locks is what she needs and turns to. It's top security, gives peace indeed. Relax yourself, enjoy yourself, be cool. Anti-picking and anti-bumping will protect your home. The whole